Clark Barlowe back here with Potential Pantry showing you Redbud flowers. Now, Redbud is one of my favorite springtime ingredients because it has this nice sweet flavor to the flower. And the cool thing about it is it's just so easy to pick and enjoy. And it's got a nice almost sweet pea flavor to the flower. Easy to pick in quantity, and super easy to enjoy. Now we moved to the backyard here, but we've got this really beautiful redbud tree. And like I was saying, super sweet, almost like a green pea flavor to it. And the way that I think this is best utilized is the same way that you would utilize a lot of legumes or different sweet pea flavors to that. So this would make a fantastic hummus. Blended with a little bit of tahini, some roasted garlic, you can think a brilliant pink hummus that has all the flavors of the legume, traditionally thing that we think of with chickpeas or garbanzo beans when we make a hummus, but with all that same flavor and a nice bright sweet flavor to it and a beautiful pink color. So redbuds, super easy to pick, super easy to identify, fantastic flavor. What more could you be asking for from a spring ingredient? And as these go throughout the summer, they'll put on a little thing that looks almost like a snow pea. That's their seed pod. As it goes throughout the season, you'll be able to pick the small tender ones in the early season, utilize them just like snow peas, maybe a little bit more fibrous than some varieties of snow peas. But as they get much bigger throughout the season, you can shell them and utilize them as a wild lentil substitute. Incredibly high in protein and just a fantastic wild edible. So if you've got a redbud tree growing anywhere around you, highly value this tree. This is just a small one that we've got growing in our backyard that my former owner of our house cut off the big tree, and now we've just got this nice little redbud that refuses to die. It's always going to stay here, and I love these as garnish. Utilize them in a lot of different ways. American redbud. Get out there, find some for yourself, and enjoy this flower in every single way that you possibly can. Clark Barlowe, Potential Pantry, man Brendan behind the camera, always having a good time with this wild stuff.